going to make a small page folder, just using 3 pages from an old book. The writing happens to be in Spanish, but hey ho. So first of all, you just get the top corner and we're going to just bend it down just slightly, like so. Okay, and then we're going to marry that up with the first page. Okay, and then we're going to do exactly the same with the second piece of paper. We're just going to fold it over like so. And again, that's going to marry up. We've got a little extra bit there. We're going to marry that up again. So we're going to actually have 1 and 2 pockets. I actually want mine quite slim. So all we're going to do is run a little bit of glue. I'm just using PVA crafter's glue. Just going to fold that down like so, and the same with the second piece. Don't need an awful lot, you don't want your paper to wrinkle too much, like so. And then I'm going to come down with my glue, probably best doing it from this side, along there and across ways, like so, from a pocket. Oh, and I forgot that side. What am I like? There we go. A little tiny bit just down there. And place that in line with the bottom page, like so. And the same with the second one. Coming down and across to the depth that we want our glue to be. Tin it over, marry it up, and there we have it. Now I'm going to cut mine off because I don't want it so too deep. So I'm going to have a go at cutting it a straight line. I'm not very good at cutting straight lines, if I'm honest, but this should suffice. Now I don't like this wrinkly bit, so I'm just going to trim off gently down the edge there, and there we go. And there we have a 3-page 2-pocket to slip into your book. Now, if you want to make it a slimmer version, which I would like mine to be about half that size, it's quite simple. You just go and get your book. See, mine's an old Spanish book. I like it because it's the paper's quite aged. Strip out 3 sheets. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 sheets. I'm going to want mine to be about so wide. Just cut down those. Like so. Same time, I'm just going to trim this edge at the same time. Get rid of my waste. And we do exactly the same as we did with the other one. We're just going to want to fold that edge over like that, glue it. Press it down. Making sure that I've got it in the right direction, because I have. It just needs to come down like that. course you can have it if you wanted to come the opposite way. And then we're going to glue along the edge to about there and up. Offer that up to your page. Do the same again. Don't mind too deep for the book that I'm doing it on. There we go. Trim it down to where you want it. And there's your smaller, thinner one. And you've got your larger, wider one. Of course, if you wanted to, you could always trim that down yourself in half, and you've got two smaller ones, and then you just glue down the edges, which I could show you. If we just trim like that, and then down these edges, you just put a little bit of glue down your edges. Your pockets just there, and then on this one we've got it the other way round, so if you can turn it over and you can just glue along the edge. Like so. Glue along the edge like so. So you've got pockets that go in that way, and you've got pockets that go in that way. Okay. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.